In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to day trade on Thinkorswim. We'll start inside Thinkorswim web by setting up a workspace that makes day trading easier to manage in real time. A common layout is a watch list on the left, your main chart in the center, the active trader ladder on the right, and your positions and orders along the bottom. This setup helps you see everything important without constantly switching screens. For indicators, a simple and popular combination is the 9 EMA, the 20 EMA, VW app, and volume. These tools can help you read trend direction, momentum, and important price areas that many traders watch closely. Next, create a watch list. Open the Market Watch tab and build a custom watch list with stocks that have high volume, meaningful pre-market movement, clear news catalyst, or large percentage gains and losses. The goal here is not to track the whole market. Many day traders focus on only a handful of names each day so they can follow price action more closely and react faster. After that, choose your chart timeframes. For entries, many traders use the 1-minute or 5-minute chart. For trend confirmation, the 15-minute chart is common. And for overall direction, traders often check the 1-hour or daily chart. Using multiple timeframes can help you avoid taking a trade that looks good on a small chart but is moving against the bigger trend. Now go to Trade, then Active Trader. Enter the stock symbol you want to trade and set your share quantity. The price ladder is useful because it lets you place limit orders, adjust orders quickly, and manage stop losses more efficiently than typing everything into a standard order ticket. Speed matters in day trading, and this tool can make execution much smoother. When you're ready to enter a trade, click the Ask Price or place the order through Active Trader. You can choose a market order for immediate execution or a limit order if you want a specific entry price. Many day traders prefer limit orders, especially when a stock is moving quickly.